got some smoked alligator gar from our trip to Louisiana. Got some dates. Well, it took a while, but I'm feeling warm again. My base layers and underwear are still pretty wet, but it's warm. That's a lot better. But I think I need to make some dinner. It is getting really late. Oh, it is cold in here. All right, we're gonna make some quesadillas. Oh, it goes so much better when your fingers work. Pork chili verde, we're gonna stuff inside. Okay, smell you. I forgot to bring a plate, but I found this one. Oh, dang it. Just dropped my knife and busted the tip off it. Wow, I really like this knife.